Good day everyone, so welcome again to our mini vlog, and today i-feature naman natin ang ating 300cc 4x4 Bull. Alright, so shoutout po pala kay Sir Victor ng Nueva Ecija. Sir, nandito na yung unit mo at i-check lang po natin siya. So nandito po yung dalawang susi mo, at the same time, ang iyong remote. Alright, so check po natin. Okay, so check natin yung ilaw. Signal light to my left. And signal light to my right. Okay, so hazard, ano naman po tayo? Hazard. Left and right. Left and right. Ayan. So ngayon naman po, yung kanyang ilaw. This is the low and high. Low and off. Busina. Ayan. So, ang additional feature pala dito sa ating